How to design a website in Canva. Let's start by creating your website project. First, head to the Canva homepage and type website into the search bar. You can narrow down your search by adding terms like portfolio, business, or event to find the perfect template for your needs. Choose one that fits your style. Just keep in mind that templates with a crown icon are for pro users, while the others are completely free. Now it's time to customize your site. Double-click on any text box to edit the content, and drag in new images from the Elements tab or upload your own. You can also tweak the fonts, colors, and layout to match your personal brand. Canva websites scroll vertically, so each page acts more like a section. Feel free to add, duplicate, or delete these sections to structure your site exactly how you want. You can even mix and match elements from different templates to create something unique. To make your site more interactive, consider adding buttons, links, and navigation bars. You can embed videos, forms, or other media using Canva's built-in options or by pasting a link. Grouping and aligning your elements carefully will help give your site a clean, professional look. Once your site design is coming together, don't forget to preview it. Canva lets you see how it'll look on both desktop and mobile devices, and the best part is, it's responsive by default. That means your site will look great no matter what device your audience is using. When you're ready to go live, just click the Publish button at the top right. You can choose a free Canva domain, like yoursite.my.canva.site, or connect your own custom domain if you already have one. After publishing, Canva gives you a live link you can share on your social media, email signature, or anywhere else online. And the best part? You can come back and update your website anytime. Just open the project in Canva, make your changes, and hit Publish again to push the updates live instantly.